Yo guys, what's up? It's Saucy Sauce, and I'm here to do a serious video for everyone. It's been a rough few days. Providing for the kids, providing for my family that I worked hard to, work from the ground, my job and everything. 'Cause I'm obviously have a job. I just want to give a great video and shout out to twitch.tv/DOSMedi, great guy, and this video goes out to him. Um, so here we go, guys. Twitch Prime. Now, if you don't know what Twitch Prime is, it's this amazing thing from this company called Amazon. You've probably heard of them. They're kind of big, I guess. Not, I mean, they're pretty big. Anyway, let's just get started. Like I already said, we're just going to be linking our Twitch Prime with our Amazon Prime. But wait, you're like, how do I link my Twitch Prime to my Amazon Prime? Because I don't have Twitch Prime. Well, Twitch Prime is actually just Amazon Prime connected to your Twitch. It's pretty insane. You get tons of features like all these free games every month and just other perks. You also get to subscribe to your favorite content creators on Twitch for completely free every single month. Isn't that just wonderful? You get all perks as if you were just paying the normal $5. It's so nice just having that free sub because honestly, who doesn't know what Amazon is? Anyway, I just want to say, oh yeah, yeah, and have a good one.